Hi, my friend. Today we are making a high-protein pork rib soup. No seasoning needed. Cut the pork ribs into sections. Place them in cold water and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Cut the carrots into chunks. Chop the corn into large pieces. Let it cook for another minute, then remove and set aside. Add corn and carrots to the Instant Pot. Pour in hot water. Use more water for a lighter soup, or less water for a richer flavor. Pressure cook for 25 minutes. You'll get a naturally sweet, nutrient-packed soup with no added seasoning. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick, high-protein meals, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.